What is going on, guys? I did something slightly big today. I went and got me a fishing kayak, and it's on the roof, and we are on the way to the house. I'm about to try it out immediately. Y'all gotta excuse me, remember it's quarantine, there ain't no barbers open, so I'm looking real rough, but that ain't the point. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, I got it tied up. Whew. I've been stressing, I didn't know if this thing was gonna fly off or not. I didn't even bring my dolly strap. I don't have my Denali, I'm in an escape. So I have to go and get a rig that they got. I don't know. I guess it's up there. But luckily, Dunham's is right up the street from me, so we just went to Dunham's and I am at the house basically. I just gotta go around the mountain and I'll be pulling in the driveway. Pretty sure my neighbor's gonna be like, this boy just know he stay busy. They don't call me Boogie for nothing. But y'all just stay tuned. We gonna get it down in a minute. And then you guys can witness me probably flip over. Oh, this is about to be crazy. It is made by Pelican. It's pretty smooth, pretty smooth. All right, guys, I got my harness, got my pose, and I got this. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know if I know how to make this work or not. I done got ready like I'm about to go fish and it's about to be crazy. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna flip over. If I flip over, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all joining me on my journey, but I don't know. Let's see what happens, y'all. All right, guys, I'm officially on the water. Oh man, this is crazy. Got my pose. I don't know what to expect of this. I don't know how this is about to go. It's pretty sturdy, honestly. Like, don't get me wrong, it is kind of tippy, but it's pretty sturdy. I think we'd be able to catch a fish. That's the ultimate goal for me right now, is to catch a fish in my kayak. All right, y'all, just stay tuned. I gotta learn how not to drift. All right, y'all. Looks pretty fishy over there. Oh, you let it go, y'all. We had him. Fish on, fish on. Woo! There it is, y'all. First fish, largy. Largemouth, nice largemouth. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, man. Let me try to maneuver out of here. Whew. All right, let me see. Look at them, y'all. First fish on the kayak. First time ever on the kayak. Alrighty, y'all. Bro, Y'all don't understand how excited this makes me, man. Beautiful. Beautiful, RG. Fat Daddy. Alright, let's get a release on him. Oh, he out of there. He out of there. Woo. That twist my worm all up. Y'all, we done did it. Y'all don't understand how happy I am. That just really did something to me. Told myself I was gonna get a kayak one day. Didn't know it was gonna be today, but you know, we done went and did it. Then caught a fish, largemouth, on the kayak. On the kayak. Alright, y'all. Alright, guys. I had to go change clothes. I don't know what happened, but a big wave hit me and it went straight in the seat. So my pants and my drawers got wet. Had to go ahead and swap them out. So we're back at it. Fish on, fish on. Ooh, nice one, nice. Ooh. What we got, what we got? What we got, y'all? What we got, y'all? Woo! Heavy. Heavy. Real heavy. Smallmouth. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's dragging me. He is dragging the kayak. Nice. Come on, guy. Don't give me a hard time. Come on. Woo! Oh my goodness. Look at him, y'all. Oh man. Man, this is what I love. Bro, this is over 10 inches for sure. Heavy. Smallmouth. He hit it real hard too. He wanted that one. Ugh, he peeing on me. Oh, shit. Alright, let's let him go. Let me see if I can get him. Get a release for y'all. Oh yeah, he ready. Oh man. Well, that's two of them, y'all. Oh man, off the kayak. I can't believe it. I actually could have grabbed the boat, but you know, you gotta crawl before you walk. You gotta get familiar with being on the water. That's how I'm looking at it. So, you know, just going through the stages and the steps. All right, guys, there you have it. You guys joined me on my first experience on the kayak, and it wasn't bad at all, honestly, except when it was time to come back home and I realized how far I was. That was a banger getting back, but we made it safe and sound. My butt did get wet again, so I had to take another shower, and now I'm dry and warm. Now I'm about to head to the store. That's the only reason why I'm not still out there. Gotta get something to make for dinner. But anyway, if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, and please, if you feel, comment on the video. Let me know what you would have did different, or what I could have done different. You know, just, you know, help me. But anyway, all right, guys, till next time.